Vilnil Museum of Illusions in Vilnius, Lithuania. Sometimes, you can't believe your eyes. At least not at the Vilnil Museum of Illusions in Vilnius. This entire museum, full of pieces and rooms that bend reality a bit, is devoted to mind-tricking works of art. Opened in 2016, the interactive museum will have you questioning what you're seeing. It features nearly 70 exhibits demonstrating optical illusions, 3D art, virtual reality, and installations that challenge the senses. Here, images bend and shift, people seem to have the ability to walk on walls, and stories are told in light. The museum's 3D paintings and the perspective illusions were created by local artists. 4 times a week, the museum also features dance performances from Liepsnose Studios. Their performances combine dance and technology in an LED light show about the history of Vilnius. If you want to know more about the illusions, just ask for a tour, where a guide will explain the science behind the exhibits. Above all, the idea behind the museum is to have fun. Pictures are allowed and encouraged. The staff might even help you get that perfect shot. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.